Why don't we take all the city slick bankers and put them on John Deere tractors in the summer sun? Sit back and watch them sweat. You can bet all the wheat in Oklahoma will get a different attitude before the plowing's done. That's right. It's true for you and it's true for me. You don't need to be smart to see it. You got to be bigger than yesterday just to keep from getting behind. And the little man is getting smaller all the time. I'm going back to the country 'cause I can't pay my rent. I may not be completely broke, but brother, I'm badly bent. I don't understand where the money went. I'm not broke, but I'm badly bent. They warned me about the city life, but I thought I knew everything. I took no one's advice, and I don't know where all the money went. I might not be broke, but I'm badly bent. Oh, yes. But I'd like to ask the Congress, I'd like to ask the President, can you tell me where all the money went? We might not be broke, but we're badly bent. All right, Walter. John Deere 4840, turning dirt for most of the morning. Radio giving severe weather warnings. You don't choose fate, fate chooses you.
Down the road where the blacktop ends, you can find Cole Ford with all his friends. We used to gravel roads and fishing with cane poles. Wasn't no swimming pools, just swimming holes. We was dirt road poor and cane switch rays. I done came a long way since back in the day. Been around the world twice, seen all 50 states. Ate them $1,000 china, but love some paper plates. There ain't nothing wrong with them big city lights, but me, I prefer them slow country nights where I can see the darkness come and then go. Most folks is honest and they all speak slow. You can leave your door open, ain't nothing to happen. Most country folks sang, but I couldn't, so I'm rapping. I wanna show y'all where I come from and invite you all down to any country town.
Now before I pack my things and leave, there's something I need y'all to understand. I've seen a lot of things in my lifetime, that's why I walk the line. I'm just a simple man, and I done the things for cheap thrills, but all my scars heal, so don't you ever cry for me. 'Cause I ain't ashamed where I'm from, you're always welcome to take a ride through the country.
Up dressed and gone by 5 a.m. He's country and he's rapping, we got to play him. Folks been waiting for someone like me to give them some hot beats and spit that country. My jeans don't sag, they fit and kinda tight. Got on a white t-shirt, no nothing but work. Daylight to dark, that's how I was bred. And I'm gonna keep being country till the day I'm dead. See, country folks eat biscuits called cat heads, barbecue, baked beans, sweet tea, and white bread. We like to fish and hunt, ain't scared of a fight. Love the good Lord and believe in doing right. Got four-wheel drive, some got mud on them. You can keep your Rolls Royce, cause baby we don't want them. So now you all know exactly who I am. And if you ain't into that, I don't give a damn.
Now before I pack my things and leave, there's something I need y'all to understand. I've seen a lot of things in my lifetime, that's why I walk the line. I'm just a simple man, and not into things for cheap thrills, but all my scars is, so don't you ever cry for me. Cause I ain't saying where I'm from, you're always welcome to take a ride through the country. You might see me on your TV, but honey, that don't mean a thing. You see, I'm still that same old country boy, and that's all I'll ever be. And sometimes those bright lights blind me and make it hard for me to see. But when I need to be reminded, I take a ride through the country. Yeah.
At about 5 o'clock on Friday afternoon, them country boys head down to the local saloon. You welcome to stop in and have a cold bottle. Big city boys are stuck up supermodels. We don't care where you're from as long as you polite. Cause push come to shove and every one of us will fight. We mostly easy like Sunday morning. Old Coke came here to give y'all fair warning. Country folks won't be pushed around, and there's some of us living in every town. We believe in the Bible and the USA. Work hard for what you want, it's the American way. Nobody owe you nothing, supposed to earn your keep. Put in a hard day's work, get a good night's sleep. I know some of y'all think Old Coke is kinda odd, but I'm loud, proud, and country by the grace of God. And
now before I pack my things and leave, there's something I need y'all to understand. I've seen a lot of things in my lifetime, that's why I walk the line. I'm just a simple man, and not into things for cheap thrills, but all my scars heal, so don't you ever cry for me. Cause I ain't saying where I'm from, you're always welcome to take a ride through the country.
There are people in this country who work hard every day. Not for fame or fortune do they strive, but the fruits of their labor are worth more than their pay. And it's time a few of them were recognized.